Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha. I'm from Indian Guys. I'm learning English. So guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll tell you many things about learning English, and this video is very helpful for you as I'm learning, and you can learn also English, and you can also speak English fluently. So guys, we have to follow some rules to learn English, and we have to like practice daily English. So guys, many people say like, I don't have a partner, so how can I practice, stay at home alone? So guys, I just wanted to say those persons who really wants to learn English, but they always rises these type of questions like, I don't have a partner, I don't have an environment, so how can I practice? And so guys, if we talk about myself, I also learn English by myself. Like I have my mobile phone, and I use chat gpt in my phone, and chat gpt is like my friend. I always talk to chat gpt like friend, and whenever I just free, I just open my chat gpt and start talking to my chat gpt. So guys, if you don't have any partner, so uh, you can talk to chat gpt, and whatever you speak, if you also make mistakes, uh, so chat gpt also correct your sentences. And guys, also give the best idea for like if you are saying any wrong sentences, so ChatGPT also will prefer you correct answer and will guide you always. So this is a like best option. If we talk about my experience, so ChatGPT is most powerful and most effective way to learn English and practice to stay at home alone. So guys, if you also are facing these type of problems like, I don't have a partner to practice with them, and I don't have an environment of learning English, so guys, you can practice with ChatGPT. And you have also nowadays social media also available. You can use social media, and if you wanna to do listening practice, so you can just uh, on like you can just start any videos, and like podcast, any stories in your mobile phone in English, and on the subtitle, and you can just read, and this is how you can practice. So guys, if we talk about myself, so I also learn to do these type of things. Like I also practice do these type of things. So guys, if you really wanted to learn English, if you really wanted to speak English fluently, so guys, you have to do these type of things. These type of things are very common and very effective. If you do like you can talk 15 minutes in a day uh, with ChatGPT and practice speaking. And if we talk about listening also, so you can listen 10 to 15 minutes in a day, so that practice is enough. And you can read one or two page in a like any book, any like articles. You can also search in ChatGPT like, give me a short paragraph articles, I just wanted to reading to improve my reading skills. So always, if you don't have a partner, so ChatGPT is like the most important partner for you, with you, because this is also available in 24 hours. So guys, in my experience, like everyone everyone's don't have a like environment, because we are Indians and we our native language is Hindi, and English is not our native language, and we don't speak English in daily life. So guys, we have to practice this language daily if we really wanted to learn. And guys, if we talk about English, why English is important and why I'm learning and why all the peoples are learning. So guys, English is most important. If we talk about nowadays, in this cutting edge era, English is most powerful language in the world. And you know, when we know how to speak English, so we have a lot of opportunity uh, in a like job purpose also, and like we have a lot of opportunities. We can do everything, we can do anything. If you need any job, so you can easily get a job and you can easily do work in any company, any sector, if you know how to speak English. English is most important. And guys, one more important thing is consistency. Like you have to be consistent if you really wanted to learn English. So guys, I'm not just saying like you just give 1 2 3 hours to learn English and speak English. I just really wanted to say you like you have to give like 15 or 20 minutes daily in your English practice. And consistency is main. uh, don't quit in a middle, in a like, if you are learning and you just start your journey, so guys, you have to be consistent in this journey. Don't quit and keep practicing, keep learning day by day, and one day definitely you'll improve, you'll like communicate much better than before. So guys, in today's video, I just really wanted to say you don't like don't excuse anything like I don't have a partner, I don't have an environment, I don't have like a lot of things. If you really wanted to learn English, so guys, you can do it with the like lack of sources and lack of facilities. So guys, first main thing is your dedication, your willingness. So guys, this is most important. If you really wanna to, so definitely you can do it. So guys, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep supporting to me as I'm learning. You also keep learning and keep practicing. And guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you like this video, so don't forget to like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.